using the Monterey product.
Yeah, turns are hard.
Those little black ants. And they're good. They're not big, but they're not small fire ant size.
What's the Monterey product?
Monterey's
This guy must be in his phone.
Right.
But it's supposed to be like not horrible.
Oh, he's not drunk this early in the morning.
Stuff, because I didn't want to put it down in the bird yard or around.
If you want to do something that's not really positive, it's well manual.
Okay.
That would be a
Well,
right. Back. Good have fairly easy.
Yeah. It's a low and then
See the variant.
yeah. You bring one back and do a feedback and
That's it. Yeah. So.
Columbia County 911.
Hey, I think I'm following a drunk driver. I'm on Cox Road at the stoplight of Bel Air Road.
And which way are y'all going?
We're about to pass Reinhardt's. We're going toward the
So you're actually on Bel Air?
No, I'm on Cox Road. We're crossing Bel Air right now.
So you're going straight onto Owens?
Yes.
Alright, what kind of car is it?
It's a Toyota Tacoma, license plate Papa Zulu Foxtrot 9142, silver.
What color? Silver Toyota Tacoma?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're on Owens now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're headed towards Washington.
Yes.
What's it doing?
He can't stay in his lane. He's running off on the grass once in a while. When we approached Owens, now he's on the left side of the road. At first I thought he was on a phone, but I don't think this is a phone. This is impairment.
Alright, keep me updated on everything you're passing.
Okay. We just passed Marty Drive.
Passing Marty. Okay.
We're passing Ashton Woods Drive. We're passing the American Legion. Passing a shopping center at Academy Sports. We're turning right on Washington Road.
They're going to be turning right onto Washington?
Yes.
Like that. Yep.
He just broke traction pulling away. I think he knows I'm following him.
He's high rate of speed now.
No, not a high rate of speed, but he broke traction accelerating from the right turn. Passing what used to be Martinez Realty Company.
Passing Martinez Realty.
In front of the BMW dealership now.
Passing BMW dealership. They're going through Ann Taylor now.
Yes, just crossing
What
now.
car?
He's turning into the shopping center where the
Which shopping center?
where the medical weight loss place is, Vogue Hair Salon.
Like that.
The $2.95 cleaners.
Did you turn in as well, or?
He's parking in front of the Scrubs place.
In front of what?
It's a place called Scrubs. I guess I don't know what they do.
He pulled in front of Scrubs.
I've got this all on video. I have a dash cam. I'm pointed right at him so we can see him get out, so we can confirm it's him. There's a deputy just stopped him.
I see him.
Yeah, T1.
Yes.